Which spark plugs are actually good for your LS1 engine? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 great options that can really make a difference. Product number 1, NGK G-Power Platinum. First up, we have the NGK 3186 G-Power Platinum spark plugs. Priced at $34.05, this 8-pack caught my attention with its solid reputation. If you want reliability and performance, this is worth a serious look. What makes these plugs stand out is their ability to operate over a much wider heat range than ordinary plugs. The platinum core also helps resist carbon buildup and pre-ignition, so you'll see smoother operation over time. Plus, the patented triple gasket sealing process minimizes the risk of combustion gas leakage, which can be a real headache. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 4,700 reviews, it's clear that many people trust these plugs. Now, some users did mention that they experienced difficulties with installation due to the design. Here's the thing though, if you have basic mechanical skills, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for dependable performance. Skip this one if you're not comfortable doing your own maintenance. Overall, the value for money is great here. Now, if the installation issue is a concern for you, the next option offers a different approach. Product number 2, NGK TR55 Spark Plugs. Next, let's check out the NGK 3951 Spark Plugs TR55, which retails for just $26.73. This 8-pack is often specified as original equipment, which caught my eye. If you want a solid combination of performance and longevity, this is definitely worth considering. This means you should see improved throttle response and fuel efficiency, both of which are crucial for squeezing every bit of power from your LS1. With a stellar 4.7-star rating from nearly 4,900 reviews, it's clear this is a favorite among car enthusiasts. However, some customers reported that they noticed a slight drop in performance compared to pricier options. Here's the thing, if you're on a budget and want reliable, solid performance, these plugs can still deliver great results without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you need something reliable without overspending. Skip this if you're set on the highest performance and don't mind spending a bit more. Still, the value here is impressive. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping your spark plug wires safe. Product number 3, Spark Plug Boot Protectors. Now we have something a little different, the SHINEHOME Spark Plug Boot Protector, priced at $14.99 for an 8-pack. Honestly, what caught my attention was its ability to protect your spark plug wires from excessive heat. If you want to prolong the life of your ignition system, this is worth a look. That means if you have a high-performance setup or your engine runs hot, these will help prevent burn-through and cracking. With a 4.6-star rating from 4,400 reviews, it's well received among users. Some comments mentioned they had issues with the fit on specific vehicles. Here's the thing, if you have a standard setup, they should work perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want to ensure your spark plug wires last longer. Skip this if you have a very specialized setup that might not work with these. The value for money is excellent here. Now, if you want a complete spark plug and wire package, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, ACDOEM Spark Plug Wires Plus Plugs. Coming in at $147.35, the AD Auto Parts ACDOEM Spark Plug Wires and Plugs combo is a hefty investment, but it really caught my eye. If you want a comprehensive solution for your LS1, this is definitely worth considering. This set includes double platinum spark plugs that offer excellent durability and consistent voltage demands. The pure copper core helps keep the electrode temperature cooler, which means less wear and tear on your ignition system. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 790 reviews, users seem satisfied with the durability and performance. However, the price point is a drawback for some, as it's higher than standalone options. Here's the thing though, if you want the peace of mind that comes with OEM quality, this investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're doing a full overhaul of your ignition system. Skip this if you're just looking for a quick spark plug change and don't want to spend too much. The value here is solid, especially for those who want reliability. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly while still delivering performance, stick around for the last item. Product number 5, AC Delco Professional Platinum. Finally, we have the AC Delco 41962 Professional Platinum Spark Plug at $62.18 for an 8-pack. This one stood out to me with its reputation for quality. If you want a reliable performance upgrade, this is worth considering. These plugs feature a one-piece fired-in suppressor seal that helps reduce radio frequency and engine interference, which is essential for modern vehicles. The double platinum design offers excellent durability, while the pure copper core helps maintain cooler operating temperatures, extending the life of the spark plug. With a rating of 4.7 stars from 1,300 reviews, it's clear that many users stand by this product. Some customers have mentioned that these plugs can be slightly pricier than others on the market. Here's the thing, if you prioritize quality and longevity, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want long-lasting performance from your LS1. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and need something more economical. The value for money is solid here, especially considering the positive feedback. So to wrap it up, we've covered the NGK G-Power Platinum and TR55 for reliability and performance, the SHINEHOME protectors for wire longevity, the AC DOEM combo for a complete solution, and the AC Delco professional plugs for top-notch quality. Each has something unique to offer, so choose based on what fits your needs and budget.